Hey there, folks! Today, I'm diving into something every IT professional needs in their toolkit. Scaling applications in Azure like a pro. Let's break it down and make sure you can handle whatever traffic comes your way without breaking a sweat. First up, let's talk about Azure Autoscaling. This is like having a smart assistant that knows when to bring in the reinforcements. Azure can automatically adjust your resources based on demand, which means your app performs optimally no matter the load. Sounds like magic, right? But it's really just smart engineering. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of setting up scaling for virtual machines and app services. For virtual machines, head over to the Azure portal. Once you're there, navigate to your virtual machine scale sets. Click on Scaling and you'll see options to set your rules. You can choose to scale out, which means adding more instances, or scale in, which removes them when they're no longer needed. The key here is to set the right metrics, like CPU usage or memory consumption, that trigger the scaling action. For app services, it's even simpler. Go to your app service in the Azure portal, find Scale Out App Service Plan, and you'll see a slider. Here, you can manually adjust the number of instances or set up auto-scaling rules. You can base these rules on metrics like HTTP queue length or CPU usage. Easy peasy. Alright, now let's talk about best practices for cost-efficient scaling. Nobody wants to blow their budget on unnecessary resources, right? First, always monitor your metrics. Use Azure Monitor to keep an eye on performance and make adjustments as needed. Second, take advantage of Azure Reserved instances if you have predictable workloads. They can save you up to 72% compared to pay-as-you-go prices. And third, don't forget about scaling down during off-peak hours. Automate this process to ensure you're only paying for what you need when you need it. To wrap it up, remember, scaling in Azure doesn't have to be complex. With the right setup and a few best practices, you can handle any traffic surge like a pro without breaking the bank. So go ahead, dive into the Azure portal and start scaling. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more IT insights. Catch you next time.